Hello world, it's October 10th, 2025. Welcome to a new edition of Cyber Briefing by Cybermaterial. Cyber alerts brought to you by 911 Cyber. Hackers exploit WordPress sites to run next-gen ClickFix-style phishing attacks. Severe Framelink Figma MCP vulnerability allows hackers to execute code remotely. New Android spyware Clayrat masquerades as WhatsApp, TikTok, and YouTube apps. Cyber incidents brought to you by 911 Cyber. Police and military radio maker BK Technologies confirms cybersecurity breach. Dozens of organizations have data stolen in Oracle-linked cyber attacks. Cyber news brought to you by 911 Cyber. FBI takes down BreachForums portal used to extort Salesforce data. This cyber briefing was produced with Saint, your artificial intelligence newscaster. For more headlines, visit cybermaterial.com.